Observation methods in psychology. What is mean by observation method? Can you define observation method? What are the types of observation method? Can you identify sampling in observation method? What are the advantages of observation? Can you list the disadvantages of observation? Going to learn. Observation of human behavior. The investigator own direct observation without ask respondent. Example, book carrying behavior of college students. Definition. Observation method in psychological research entail the observation and description of a subject's behavior. Researchers utilizing the observational data. Types of observation methods. First method, direct observation. There are two types. A. Observation without intervention. If researchers wish to study how subjects normally behave in a given setting, they will want to utilize observation without intervention, also known as naturalistic observation. B. Observation with intervention. Most psychological research uses observation with some components of intervention. There are three types. First, participant observation. Participant observation is characterized as either undistinguished or distinguished. Second, structured observation. Structured observation represent the systematic manipulation of independent variables and precise control characterized by lab experiments. Third, field experiments. In field experiments, researchers manipulate one or more independent variables in a natural setting to determine the effects on behavior. Second, indirect observational methods. Indirect observation can be used entirely unassuming in their observation method. There are two types. A. Physical trace evidence. The investigations of physical trace evidence involves examining of the subject's past behavior. B. Actual records. Actual records are the documents that describe the activities of people at a certain time point or time period. Running records are continuously updated. Episodic records, on the other hand, describe specific events. Third type, recording behavior. There are both qualitative and quantitative means of recording behaviors. To communicate qualitative information, observers rely on narrative records. This may consist of video footages, audio recordings, or field notes. Sampling behavior in observation. There are two types of sampling. First, time sampling. It is a sampling method that involves the acquisition of representative samples by observing subjects at different time intervals. Second, situation sampling. Situation sampling involves the study of behavior in many different locations and under different circumstances and conditions. Advantages of observation method. Basis of any scientific inquiry, conformity with the outcomes, systematic and unbiased, accessed and properly understood only through observation, then directness. Disadvantages of observation method. Little control over the situation, difficult to access what causes or determines, many external factors influence the phenomenon, difficult to observe in natural setting, observer's bias cannot be generalized to other similar situations. Subjects may change their activities in the presence of the observer. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.